I don't know about y'all, but for me, now in this time, I've decided it's back to the basics because I'm at a stage where I'm tired of jobs that drain me. I'm tired of situations that don't serve me. And a lot of people I talk to, they're in situations like that too because they feel like they got to have all their ducks in a row, perfect backup plan to the backup plan, and in reality, you just need to decide. And that's why a lot of people also haven't even started their YouTube channels because they haven't taken that one step. But today, we're going to talk about how we can move forward, how we can just get out of that feeling of being stuck. So here's some back to the basics stuff right here. When I was in the States, I had an egg cooker. Cooked my eggs in about 3 minutes. Here, I have a pot and a lid. Okay, there's my eggs. I don't know if you can see my eggs. I just boiled this. I'm pouring the water out. And I'm gonna peel these bad boys up and eat it just like they're from an egg cooker. Period, full stop. See, as Gen Xers, we were raised that there's a right way and a wrong way to do things. And the right way was to clock in at your job like you're supposed to, stay loyal, don't rock the boat. And then we got all grown up. And the thought of starting something new feels overwhelming. I know. I've been there. You want to quit your job, but you're waiting until the 401k looks just right or until the boss magically changes. Really, you think that boss is going to change? I don't think so. You want to start that YouTube channel, you really do, but you're stuck because you don't have the perfect thumbnail or the perfect title that you think is going to be so scroll stopping or the fancy edits that you want to have. You don't have anybody to help you with that, or you feel like you need all this fancy equipment that ChatGPT told you need in order to start your channel. Don't listen to him. He don't know. What he doesn't know also is that mindset, that's keeping you exactly where you are, stuck. And for me, I had to get out of that. I had to get out of that mindset because I knew in my spirit that all of those things that I felt were doing the right things, those were the things that were keeping me stuck. So even now, in things that I'm doing or want to accomplish, I'm thinking of like, oh, it would be great if I could do it this way or add this on to this. But you know what? All of those ideas are great ideas. But unless you act on one of them, they just remain ideas. And how long does that happen? Days, weeks, months, years go by until you act on your ideas. And that's not a good way to live or die. So that's why I titled this Back to Basics. Because for me, that means to strip away the noise. You don't need 100 steps. You need one clear decision and one action that matches it. Like I should have made a better decision about how to peel these eggs, but I didn't, so now the shells are all over the place. I mean, think about when you were a kid, when you were learning to ride a bike. You didn't wait until you had the matching headgear, the perfect color bike that you wanted. Well, that was nice. You had to have that right. But you wanted the custom paint on it, the training wheels with the chrome rims, you wanted all that stuff. All you did, really, even though you didn't have all that stuff, was you hopped on that bike and you wobbled forward as best as you could and you kept going. That's what this is about. It's about getting on that bike and pedaling as hard and as fast as you can. Because waiting on perfection is costing you time. It's costing you your peace, and honestly, that's what's costing your freedom. Simple breakfast, a smoothie, lots of good things in there, and eggs, tomatoes, and avocado. That's what I'm having for breakfast today. Simple and delish. And let me say this before a lot of you come for me saying, I'm not starting a YouTube channel and everybody doesn't need to start YouTube. This is not about YouTube. This is about your life. It's just that you don't need to map out every dollar before you leave your job. You don't need to decide that you're done settling and then start taking action, like cutting out one expense or starting one side hustle. You don't need a whole 5-year plan to move forward. You just need a right step right now. I'm saying this because these are the conversations I'm having with people my age. Too many Gen Xers believe it's too late. Don't do it. It's a trap. Oh, who's that? You're not too late. You're just hesitating. And hesitation, like she said, it's a trap. So what I'm considering back to basics, it just means that I'm going to stop stacking requirements on myself. And the truth is, you don't need perfection. You don't need approval from somebody else. You need clarity, that's for sure. But you need to move. So here's my challenge. Just decide your one thing this week. Maybe it's uploading your first YouTube video. I know it's not about YouTube. I'm just saying. Maybe it's having a conversation with somebody. Maybe it's just telling yourself out loud that I'm done settling. Whatever it is, just take one bold step forward. And hey, don't forget, if you're finding value in this conversation, please hit subscribe. Let me just pause for a second while you do that, please. Thank you. I'm not here to sugarcoat this, but you know what? I am the exit queen for a reason. I'm here to give you the steps and the fire you need to finally exit the cycles that have held you back. And beyond this conversation, this is what I want you to walk away with. Freedom isn't found in having it all lined up, all those ducks in a row. Freedom comes when you decide and then you move. Just remember this, freedom exists after risk. And the first step is always worth it. No matter how messy it is, no matter how complicated you think it might be, or that conversation you're scared to have, it's always worth it. All right, so what's it gonna be? What's your one step this week? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to download the Ultimate Freedom Toolkit below. And subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Because your exit, it starts real simple, but it starts today.